Just because something is low cost or affordable doesn't necessarily mean it is short on quality. This House Speaker Martin Romualdez and his team found out for themselves in their site inspection trip earlier today to San Mateo, Rizal to scrutinize the latest 4PH housing project. PTV senior correspondent Mela Lesmoras on the 4P housing units that exceed the features of same type of dwelling units that sell at cost and with extras thrown in.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez is very impressed with the administration's pambansang pabahay para sa Pilipino or 4PH program in Barangay Gitnang Bayan 2 in San Mateo, Rizal. He inspected the project earlier today, and although it is still under construction, the House leader appreciates the well-designed units and is also amazed with the DSUD's plan to put up a swimming pool, basketball court, clubhouse, and other amenities in the compound, which are typical of higher-priced private subdivisions and condominiums.
Basta nandito tayo lahat, pwede gawin natin lahat ng paraan. Kagaya ditong vision natin, Presidente, magbigay ng housing sa lahat ng Pilipino. Kaya yung mga nangangailangan, yung needs talaga ay aabot na almost 6 million na housing. At yun ang sinasabi ng ating Secretary, yun ang target natin, kaya tinatarget natin average of 1 million housing a year.
Meanwhile, other officials also graced the event, like House Appropriations Committee Chair Elizaldico, Rizal 3rd District Representative Jojo Garcia, and DSUD Secretary Jose Acuzar. For its part, the House of Representatives assured to continue its support for DSUD's housing program until the next budget season. Following the event, Speaker Romualdez also accommodated a short media interview in which he confirmed talking with Senate President Francis Escudero in Malacañang yesterday, where they discussed the priority legislation of Congress upon resumption of session in July.
Although hindi full-out meeting, nag-agree kami tayo ni Senate President that even before the LEDAC na sa third week ng itong buwan na to, mag-uusap tayo. Yung coordination will be particularly dito sa mga bicameral conference committees on how we reconcile the differing versions and how we will just await the Senate in prioritizing which of the local legislations that we have also passed and transmitted to the Senate will be acted upon.
As for the West Philippine Sea, Romualdez once again pleads to China to stop their aggressive actions following the report they allegedly seized and threw food packages and other supplies intended for Filipino soldiers on the BRP Sierra Madre.
Nalulungkot talaga tayo dito sa mga ginagawa ng ating mga kapitbahay, mga taga China, at sana tigilin na nila itong mga aggressive behavior kasi hindi gaganda ang relasyon natin. Pero siyempre, hindi tayo papayag na ganon-ganon lang ang trato. Kaya we will be very firm and all the respective authorities will be supporting the President's policy.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.